Hello viewers, how are you? Today I'll show you how to activate your Windows permanently, and here you are seeing this is showing me this message. Here you are seeing activate Windows. Go to settings and activate Windows. I want to remove this, and if you go to the my computer properties, you are seeing Windows is not activated. I want to remove this also. So first thing I have to do, go to this URL. I'll give this URL to the description link of the video. Then when you click this link, that will show this website. Then you have to click on skip ad. That will take you to the original link. Skip ad. Yes, that came the original link, and it is the link. From here you have to download this one. Oh no, it is not opening. Yes, you see, it is downloading. So the name of this software is Microsoft Toolkit. It is absolutely a virus free software. You can use it. It is really safe for your computer. It is downloading. I'm waiting when the download is finished. It is 53.6 megabyte. It will take some time. I am pausing the video. You're seeing my it is downloaded. So I'm opening the zip file. Before you start this software, you have to do another thing. You have to disable your antivirus. I'm disabling my antivirus for 10 minutes. Antivirus for 10 minutes. Yes, and I have to do another thing, which is go to control panel. I have to disable the firewall also. I'm searching for firewall here. This is the firewall, and go to here, turn Windows Defender firewall, turn off. Okay, then after doing this, open this software, double click. Yes, here is the software. Open. Here you have to click on here on Windows button. Just on activation, please click here, EZ activator. Okay, I'm clicking on. After clicking this, just please see this here. It will automatically hidden. It will automatically hide. It is running. Here you are seeing it is hiding. just wait for a few minutes. Okay, you are seeing it is successfully installed and it is hidden automatically. So how easy is this? Just closing this, and I'm checking the properties of Windows, what it is showing. Okay, it is not activated yet, so just refreshing this one, and then properties. Here you are seeing Windows is activated. Here showing the Windows is activated, so it is really easy. Just download the software, just install this one, and it will activate automatically. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, like the video, share the video. Thank you.